This is the untold story of four remarkable medications, each with the power to transform your world. They are not just pills, they are the keys to new chapter of desire, confidence and satisfaction. Stick around until the end because by the time this video concludes, you will hold the knowledge to rekindle your desires, rewrite your story and make every moment unforgettable. First drug on our list is sildenafil, Viagra. Sildenafil, commonly known as Viagra, is one of the most well-known erectile dysfunction medication. It works by increasing blood flow to the penis, helping men achieve and maintain an erection when sexually aroused. Viagra is typically taken 20 minutes to 1 hour before sexual activity and can last for about 4 hours. Second drug in our list is tadalafil, CLAS. Tadalafil, marketed as CLAS, is another widely used erectile dysfunction medication. It also improves blood flow to the penis, but it has longer duration of action, often referred to the weekend pills, because it works for up to 26 hours. This longer window of effectiveness allows for more spontaneity in sexual activity. Third drug on our list is vardenafil, Levitra. Vardenafil, sold as Levitra, is similar to sildenafil and tadalafil in its mechanism of action. It helps relax the blood vessels in the penis, enhancing blood flow and facilitating erections. Levitra is typically taken 30 minutes to 1 hour before sexual activity and lasts for about 4 to 5 hours. Fourth drug and the last drug in our list is eonafil, Stenodra. Eonafil, marketed as Stenodra, is a newer erectile dysfunction medication known for its rapid onset of action. It can work in as little as 15 minutes, making it a quick-acting option for men seeking spontaneity in their sexual encounters. Stenodra effects can last about for 6 hours. Remember that the effectiveness and side effect of this medication can vary from person to person. It is crucial to consult a healthcare provider to determine the most suitable medication and dosage for your specific needs. Additionally, this medication should not be taken without a prescription and should be used responsibly and as directed by medical professional. So this is the end of our video. I will put all the links and the references from which I prepared this video, and also I will share my research and my study. By being a doctor, I am able to show you and pick up the best option for you. Thank you so much for watching, and this video is a gift for those having erectile dysfunction.